Hi, I'm Max. I'm a tutor in the CIS Sandbox, and in this video I'm going to show you how to access your Excel assignments and tutorials through SAM. Once you are in SAM and on the activities list, this is where you can view your tutorials and projects. Once you click on Training and click Start, it'll bring you to a pop-up which allows you to practice your Excel skills. There's 3 different types of training, and these are Observe, Practice, and Apply. Observe allows you to watch a tutorial about your Excel module and learn how to do it in real time. Practice allows you to put what you've learned to the test with the help of the SAM platform. Apply allows you to try what you've learned on your own and tells you when you do things right or wrong. Once you get back to your activity list, you can click on a project, which are the assignments that you'll have to do for homework and in class. Once you're there, it'll ask you to download a Microsoft Word instruction file and a Microsoft Excel start file, which is where you're going to be doing all your work. Once you open up the downloaded files, which are located at the bottom of my Chrome browser, you can open the Excel and Word files and navigate through those. Use the buttons at the bottom of the workbook to get to the different pages that you're going to need to edit to complete your assignment. If you open up the Microsoft Word instruction document that you downloaded, it will have all your instructions for everything that you'll need to do to complete your Excel assignment. Whenever you're ready to upload your assignment, you'll go back to your web browser and hit Continue. You will then press the Submit button and browse your computer for the Excel file that needs to be uploaded. If you would like to meet with a tutor to review this with you, please visit us in the CIS Sandbox online at cissandbox.com, sign up for a seat in Smith 234 to see us in person, or attend the weekly online review session with the CIS Sandbox tutor assigned to your class.